Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some easy manufacturing business ideas. You can start using hand press and molding machines. These machines are relatively affordable and can open doors to various small-scale manufacturing opportunities. Let's explore some ideas. First up, let's talk about soap manufacturing. Using a hand press, you can create custom-shaped soaps. You'll need soap base, essential oils, and molds. It's a low-cost, high-margin business, especially if you focus on organic or specialty soaps. You can market them online, at craft fairs, or to local boutiques. Next, consider candle making. Hand press machines can be used to create unique candle shapes. You'll need wax, wicks, fragrance oils, and molds. Similar to soap making, this is a versatile business with lots of creative potential. Target the gift market or create seasonal candles to boost sales. Then, there's the option of producing custom stamps. You can use a hand press to create stamps for various purposes, like scrapbooking, crafts, or office use. You'll need stamp materials, design software, and a hand press machine. This is a business with low overhead costs and the potential for repeat customers. Moving on, let's look at button manufacturing. With a molding machine, you can create buttons of different shapes, sizes, and materials. You can target the clothing industry, craft stores, or even create custom buttons for special events. The demand for buttons remains consistent. Another idea is creating keychains and pendants. Molding machines are perfect for producing these items from resin, clay, or other materials. You can design unique keychains and pendants, catering to specific niches or interests. This is a highly customizable and marketable product. Now, let's explore the world of magnets. You can use a molding machine to create magnets for refrigerators, whiteboards, or other uses. Design fun, creative magnets that appeal to various markets. This is another area where creativity and personalization can set you apart. Consider also the manufacturing of small plastic or rubber components. With a molding machine, you can create various small parts, depending on the machine's capabilities. This business can supply parts to hobbyists, small businesses, or other manufacturers. Research the market for specific component needs. Next up, we have the production of coasters. Use a molding machine to make coasters from materials like resin, cork, or even wood. Customize designs and cater to various customer tastes. This can be a profitable business, especially with online sales and collaborations with retailers. Another option is creating personalized license plates. While this may require some specific equipment and licensing, a molding machine can be used to create the plates. Target car enthusiasts or offer personalized plates as gifts. Finally, we have packaging solutions. With hand presses and molding machines, you can create customized packaging for small businesses or individual products. This can include boxes, containers, or other protective packaging. It's a niche market that often requires quick turnaround times. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Remember to research your market, create a business plan, and start small. Good luck and happy manufacturing!